mummified head. And of course, me getting the Hyena Shrine. Let's kill this dude.
And I will see her only when I see her.
Zach, or you? Oh, my bad. I didn't mean Zach. I meant Luca, but whatever. Yo, leave Luca alone. Luca RCT.
Yeah, I know, but
Oh, RCT. Well, I'm not even low, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, this guy's getting Malevolent Shrine left and right. Die! 17 more times, y'all. Lucas, should I change it to the Gojo ASMR Raga wheel?
Yes, can. Why do you look like that?
I don't know. Wait, stop at that. Don't yo.
Oh gosh.
Don't attack the boss when he spawns again after this. I'm gonna change my avatar.
Okay.
Zach's AFK, I think, because it was.
Wait, bro. What is it? What's your YouTube?
I'll tell you when I'm done with this video specifically.
Okay.
Also, okay, I'll keep him busy while you're popping a fuga. No, my expansion. Nah, man, seriously, this brass getting into the domain expansion left and right.
So funny.
Domain expansion.
She couldn't have got hit with 2 domains, a black hole, and a ball of purple. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Wait, bro, there's no freaking way none of us can survive a simple fuga. Wait, he might use OCT. He might use OCT because every time he does it, he uses OCT.
I have 270,000 HP. I don't know how you want that thing.
I have 291,000 HP. Don't worry, I'll save the Gojo with the Maraga. Okay, I'm respawning.
Come on, domain. You can disappear now, please.
I don't. Bear with me, people. That's Chinese. Just bear with me. What's up? Even though I have 4 arms and I actually have 6 eyes, by the way. Like literally, if I zoom in a little on my head. If I zoom. Wait, don't spawn. Don't start killing. Okay, whatever. I'm just coming. I already showed it in last mission. Well, guess what's a corner? Another Malevolent Shrine is here. I saw I was trying. Yo guys, the leg is busy making my sensitivity over 1,000.
That's so well. Nah, again, 3 domain expansion, that we could resume.
Just for one person.
And the Fuga. For one person.
What's a hollow purple, bruh?
I don't even know which is coming in right now.
What's another Fuga? What's another Fuga for lunch on the side, bro? Oh wait, bring him to the black hole. He gets crushed by the pool. He gets pulled in and then he starts getting crushed, but it does like an annoying amount of damage, which is a little damage.
I'm gonna hit another black hole. Oh my gosh.
Am I the only one surviving right now? Like, he didn't do that much damage to me from that one move. He did like made you guys one tap.
Look, it's literally 14 moves. We actually might do it in this video.
Luca, what are you grinding at? Luca, I'm grinding at not Meguna.
I get 4,000
Yo,
Imagine I get the mummified head or whatever.
yeah, bro, I already got it. I got the mummified head 2 times. Another Fulga, bro.
Where is he again? I genuinely have no
Look
clue.
up on top of that domain expansion right there. I'll just document just because I'm not that low.
Oh, damn. I honestly forgot I had dopamine.
Yeah, you should use dopamine when you're off HP.
And then when you're on life support, then you must use positive.
Yes.
Life support.
The thing is, no. Don't worry. I'll save you guys. I'll let you guys use OCT.
Oh gosh, oh my god, I'm on life support. Bro, you don't understand how low I was. I was literally on like 5 HP on the dot.
But I was literally on life support, like he said.
Nah, again, I was hooked up to a machine and everything, bro. Domain expansion.
Domain expansion. Fuga. 3 domain expansions and 3 Fugas. Hello guys, my name is Ramen Sukuna.
Oh gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, I was on life support. And of course OCT don't wanna work. Can I put my balls in your dolls? Huh?
Of course you can, bro. Any day of any second of every minute of any second of any day again. I'm still standing, even at the end of time. He almost ended me.
What, Zach? Zach, can you tell Luca how much times I survived Sukuna while I was low? Like, I killed Sukuna while he was on half HP, while I was on 5 HP without OCT. Just because I know that this guy is targeting me, I'm sending a
Wait,
raid.
question, bro.
Huh?
Oh, you're gonna put my voice in the video. What's happening now?
Bro, my mic is on so they can hear what you're saying, even on a call.
Now, that sounds ridiculous.
What, bro? You can't say anything because you literally said it yourself. Your grandma's here, but your mom.
Oh my gosh, stop. Oh my gosh.
I survived that, Fuga. I survived that. Easy.
I got violated so bad. That is not even funny.
Even at the end of time. I killed him. Easy.
Nice, bro. Easy.
Bro, I killed the Sukuna boss and then I saw him spawn again, then he just
Oh
despawned.
yeah. Oh, your domain expansion.
Yes?
I'm gonna do some hands.
Do not revenge Yoshi, he's gonna cook your bum.
Oh god, I'm dead.
Yes, I
Yes,
will.
I am.
I'm still dead though. I didn't even respawn. Fugaona! Imani mo ana sunneho. Imani mo ana sunneho. Imani mo ana sunneho. Yo guys, this is my Malevolent Shrine fully revealed. Look at it, it's beautiful.
There's no malevolent shrine anywhere, bro.
Bro, look in the air.
Oh, it's that. Oh, it's that one. Yeah, I've seen it again.
The Malevolent Shrines are all time glitch in the ground.
I think is look every single thing.
Okay guys, after the skill I'm gonna end the video and then I'm gonna record another one. I got another 18 special grade.